Hi guys, today I am going to explain United Nations Funds and Programs Organization. I will little bit give idea how these organizations actually came existence, because these organizations are basically created by United Nations itself to meet needs which were not actually envisioned at making of United Nations when founding members of United Nations met in San Francisco. So such as Palestine refugees, development assistance, food aid, or environmental concerns. So yeah, these organizations are actually subordinate to United Nations, and they also depend on United Nations for their regulation, for their laws, and like financial assistance as well. So they also very much related to they are much more closer than a specialized agency. As I already explained about specialized agency, they related with the United Nations through special agreements. That's why those organizations are called United Nations Specialized Agency. And these are funds and programs organizations, like their management arrangement are subjected to direct UNGA. UNGA is like our parliament, so they have also United Nations General Assembly. They make rules and regulations for these organizations, and those rules and organizations apply and funds and programs organizations apply UN rules and regulations in the realm of administration and personnel. So we will also look like how many United Nations funds and programs organizations. First one is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. In short, we call it UNCTAD, and its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. And another one which is very important, this organization is also important. Few are very important, I will mention, like this one is important. And second one is United Nations Development Program. Its headquarters is in New York. United Nations Development Program also published so many reports as well. And like third one, United Nations Environmental Program, and its headquarters is in Nairobi. Where is Nairobi? Nairobi is in Kenya. And fourth one is Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee. This is not very much important. Sometimes it comes in news because of refugee problems of the country. Fifth one is United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees in the Near East. This is not very much important, but we have to also look it. And this one is important, United Nations Children's Funds. This organization, in short, it is called UNICEF, and its headquarters is in New York. They also publish so many reports as well. So this one is important. United Nations Population Funds. Last year this organization was in news because India also actually crossed population from overtake population from China. That's why these organizations actually talk about population kind of things. This organization is also very important, like World Food Programs. And another one is United Nations Office of Drugs and Crimes. Sometimes it also comes in news. And United Nations Human Settlement Program. So little bit important, this organization. And 11th one is United Nations Office for Project Service. This is little bit important, but this one is very important, like United Nations Women. So many times it comes in news, so we have to remember these organizations. So 12 funds and programs organization of United Nations, and 15 were specialized organization of United Nations. So these total 27 organizations are important, but some are very important here. Majority time they ask, and a few names also they put from here, and they ask either it is a specialized agency or not. So this kind of questions come. So important organizations at least we have to remember. So third kind of agreements with organization is like related organizations. These organizations have more autonomy actually than a specialized agency as well. So like United Nations funds and programs, they are totally dependent, like almost not totally, but yeah, almost totally dependent on United Nations. But these organizations are just because they also complete some of the purpose of the United Nations. So but they have some agreements between related organizations. And first one is International Atomic Energy Agency, in short IAEA. And this organization is very important. It often comes in news. So many times it will come in news. World Trade Organization. And another very important organization, International Organization for Migration. It comes hardly in news, few times, but this organization is very important. And sometimes in specialized agencies question, they also put this name as well, and they ask either it is specialized agency or not. So let's remember once again, 15 specialized agency. Once specialized agency, in last video I already explained. So like ILO, FAO, UNICEF, UNESCO, not UNICEF. UNICEF is Funds and Programs Organization. WHO, IMF, World Bank, WIPO, United Nations World Tourism Organization, WTO, and United Nations Industrial Development Organization, and IFAD. Okay, so it's International Fund for Agriculture and Development, and IMO, WMO. This is International Maritime Organization. Its headquarters is in London. And World Meteorological Organization. Its headquarters in Geneva. And two more organizations. ITU, International Telecommunication Union, and UPU, like Universal Postal Union. UPU. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and one more. What is one more? Yeah, ICAO. It's a International Civil Aviation Organization. Its headquarters is in Canada, Montreal. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching this video.